2 Chronicles 20:12. For we are powerless against this great multitude that is coming against us. We do not know what to do, but our eyes are on you. Yan po ang pinadalang verse ni Brother Joel, ni Senator Joel at 10:48 a.m. today because we do feel the forces ganging up on us. Ito po ang sinagot ko sa kanya ng 11:38 a.m. The Lord Himself goes before you and will be with you. He will never leave nor forsake you. Do not be afraid, do not be discouraged. So first and foremost, I'd like to welcome you here today for the prayer. I do not know if this is a prayer. I know for a fact that this is an assembly of people who love God and who want to submit to God. What I do not know is if this is the beginning of my journey as the Senate President or if this is a despedida. Because unlike the office of the mayor, the office of the barangay chairperson, the office of the president, which are elected by the constituents, the Senate President serves at the pleasure of the majority of the Senate.